Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Nadeem and I'm going to present you the topic Quran and Science. This is going to be a series of lectures, and the first lecture is the universe is expanding. Let's go to our lecture now. Universe is expanding. Before 1929, all scientists thought the universe was static. It was neither expanding nor shrinking. Sir Isaac Newton thought that the universe was neither expanding or shrinking. Even Sir Albert Einstein thought universe was not expanding nor shrinking. Now these two are the biggest two scientists in the history of science. Sir Edwin Hubble invented telescope in 1929. The data observed from the telescope suggested that the universe is expanding. So the biggest two names in the history of science, Sir Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein, which were holding the view that universe is static, they both were proved wrong. Not only these two scientists, but all the scientists in the world thought that the universe was static before 1929. Quran was revealed 1400 years ago, and it states in chapter number 51, verse number 47, "With power we constructed the heaven, and verily we are expanding it." In 1929, this view was found out to be the correct view. The intention of presenting this topic is that those who are already Muslims, they should have a firm belief, and their faith should get stronger in Quran. And those who are non-Muslims, they should investigate the Quran further, investigate the topics presented in Quran and science further, check it out from the Quran, check out from the science, and check out whether all the things that are presented in this topic, Quran and science, whether they are true or not. And once they've done their research, it should help them find the truth, find that the Quran is truth, and this will help them embrace and accept Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.